Very good morning to all of you. So we will start with the class. So we were discussing one numerical. So just tell me the answers, student. What are your answers to that numerical? The numerical was, all of you are having that numerical. So what are your values? X of k. All are having that numerical now. So have you simplified by your own? DIF diagram सबने बना लिया था? अच्छा x020. Okay, very good. Next, other answers. Other students. और किस किस के आंसर्स आए हैं बेटा? x4, x2, x6 0 है. बिल्कुल सही. x1 is -5 ठीक है. x7 is -5.828 plus 2.414j. Okay. And x5 कितना आ रहा है? So all are able to simplify this. Any doubts? Today very less strength is there in the class, huh? Why? May I know the reason? 2 to 3 classes attend नहीं करनी है क्या तुमको? Only 5. Any reason, ma'am? Okay. But students, please attend the classes. Your attendance is very important. You are sitting at home, so at least you can attend the classes regularly. But you are not interested. Okay, write down next numerical. One more numerical. So this is your numerical which is simplified. सबका diagram ऐसा ही दिख रहा है. All the butterfly diagram for DIF FFT. In this way you have drawn your diagram. Just check it and reply in the chat box. Where you have to write W, that is clear. And where you have to write these values. After finding this, you have to write the value. Intermediate values सब check कर लो अपने अपने इसमें कहाँ लिखना है. That is very important actually. Okay, so write down next numerical. सबने देख लिया है? Good. Given x of n. Given x of n is equal to 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. ठीक है? And capital N is equals to 8. It's 2 to the power n. Find x of k. Find x of k using DIF FFT and DIT FFT algorithm. Using both the algorithms, you have to find So start simplifying. Got the question? Yes, 2 to the power n. So what is the first step in this question? What you will do first? Yes. So what are the x of n values, student? फाइंड कर लो, फिर चैट बॉक्स में लिखो. हाँ, यूजिंग फॉर्मूला 1 2 4 8. Yes, it's right. How we will find x of n? अब सबसे पहले हमें क्या फाइंड करना है यहाँ पे? Small x of n, which is not directly given to you. Here it's given that x of n is equal to 2 to the power n. But we want the series. X of 0 क्या होगा? X of 1 क्या होगा? X of 2 क्या होगा? Clear? That we have to find for 8 values. Given n is equal to 8. Next step. पहले DIF. Listen, 2 students perform by DIF and 3 students perform by DIT. ठीक है, अमीशा अवंतिका DIF से कर लो, अदिति चारू प्रतिभा DIT से कर लो. ठीक है, so we will get results at the same time. So start. Yes. Fiddler factors. So what is the first Fiddler factor? Always 1. No need to find. Next. Next is, it always remains same. Yes, very good. Next, move ahead students. इसके बाद जो फाइंड करना है नेक्स्ट स्टेप. Yes. Now calculation will start. Now the calculations will start. Start drawing the diagram. If any doubt, put in your chat box. I will clarify your doubts. because from tomorrow we will start with the next unit. And yes, I will give assignment also. Assignment is prepared. We'll put it in the Google Classroom and start maintaining your files. RFS lab file बनाना शुरू कर दो बेटा. G0 is 17. Okay. And those who are doing by Avantika DIF से कर रहे हो ना? Remaining Aditi DIT. So that is right, Avantika. Yes, 17 is right answer. अच्छा. अदिति चारू दोनों के आंसर सेम आ रहे हैं क्या बेटा दोनों? Both of you are getting same answers. Okay. Avantika answers are right. A0. A0, A1, other parameters. B0, B1 सेम आ रहे हैं क्या सबके? प्रतिभा, अदिति. 68 and minus 60. C1, C2 क्या आ रहा है? ओके. D0, D1. ओके. नेक्स्ट स्टेप फॉर DIT और DIF में सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या आंसर्स आ रहे हैं? नेट इशू हो रहा है, सो आंसर लेट सेंड हो रहे हैं मैम. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. यू डू इट, यू जस्ट गिव मी द लास्ट आंसर्स, दैट विल ऑल्सो वर्क. And upload the answers in your Google Classroom. Okay, write down the question, take a photo of your question which I have given to you, photo of your answer in that, and all of you upload on Google Classroom, so that I will come to know ki you are doing it correctly. My voice is clear? So any query? Yes, put the answers. ये स्टूडेंट्स क्या हुआ बेटा, कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा है, आंसर्स नहीं आ रहे हैं. Next step to perform. Next answers are okay. G3, G2 is this Charu ka. Aditi and Charu, both answers are coming out to be same. You are giving some different answers. So okay, G2 is right. Okay, correct. Very good. And those who are performing DIF, their answers. Yes, Avantika. You got the final answers, Avantika? -85 is right answer. X4 is right. X0 is 255. So I will show you the diagram also. This is, you can see your values. You can check your values. Avantika, X2 is, H of 0 is 170. Amisha, this is by DIF, na? So first stage output, okay. You can see in the diagram I am shown on the screen. It's there. Screen is visible to you. 17, 34, 68. Okay, minus 15. This is coming out to be wrong. Minus 6j. Last two values are not right. I must say last three values. Last three values are not right. Check it again where you are doing the mistake. Aditi, H1 is minus 30 plus. Okay. So next value, students. Okay, students. Now what you are doing, x0 is 255. Very good. Pratibha, आंसर आ गया तुम्हारा. Aditi का भी same. Aditi and Pratibha. You both are doing by different techniques, na? DIF and DIT. No, by same, I think. Okay, by same. Okay. By DIT you got this answers. चलो ठीक है. And other group of DIF, you got the answer. अभी तक reply नहीं आया. I am waiting for the answer. Avantika, okay. This is by DIF. So we are getting, say x0 is 255. Perfect. X1 is also, it's wrong. The imaginary side is wrong. X1. तुम लोग का आंसर आ गया क्या DIT वालों का? नहीं. So next answer. फर्स्ट स्टेज में क्या आउटपुट के लिए ट्विडलर फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा x2 का. Why you are getting confused? Draw the diagram properly. Where is the confusion? We will simplify one if you are having confusion. X1 is right. Charu, perfect answer. X2 is also right. Avantika right है बेटा. Aditi X1. X2 and X3. X3 is perfectly right. X2 is also right. X3 right था पहले ही. X2 you are getting minus 51 plus 102J. You can check the answers. It's on the screen. This is for DIF. Okay, this diagram is for DIF. It takes time, but if you are moving step by step, you will get correct answers. So all the answers are there on the screen now. X5 भी आ गया सबका. X5 बाकी है I think. X5, X6, X7 क्या आ रहा है? X4 -85, right? X6 -51. Just check once the sign of X6. Right, X4 Aditi Charu. So you can see by both the methods you are getting right answers. I matched till X4, all the answers are same. Aditi ka hai DIT, Charu DIT -85. X0 was 255, perfectly same. X1 was same. X2 is same. Now what is the value of X7? X5 is same. And this figure which is displayed on the screen is for DIF. Yes, you can see the answers on the screen. Next. Check the sign in the X6. पहले भी किसी ने X6 का आंसर गलत बताया था. अदिति X6 में माइनस आएगा है यहाँ पे. Check that. Charu. X7 is right. There's a problem in X6 and X2. Just check the answer. Pratibha, you simplified the whole. स्क्रीन से देख के तो आंसर्स नहीं लिख रहे हो. Intermediate stage answers you can check if you're going wrong somewhere. X6. Getting the answers. X2 is right. So now you have completed this numerical, I think. All the students. So how much time it takes to complete one numerical of FFT? Approximately, I think 20 minutes will be required. X7, okay. Avantika. Others all completed. It's a mathematical class, so we have to move a little bit slow, and I have to give time to the students who simplify the numerical. Okay, Aditi, 2 बच्चों का डन हो चुका है complete. चारू, प्रतिभा, अवंतिका, Aditi completed. Others, have you completed? Those who have completed, click a photo, upload on the Google Classroom. I will just give you permission to I will add a classwork over here. You put in that. Just wait. I will create assignment. Yes, you can upload after this class. No problem. I will just put it so that to all the student. और ड्यू डेट तो मैं आज की डाल दूं. You will upload it today only. Till tomorrow time I will give you. Okay. So in assignment, now you can see turn in is 0, assign is 14. The screen is there. So when you complete, upload it and turn in. Make that option on so that I will have the data over here. So we have completed this numerical, and if you are having any doubt, DFT numerical, okay, see students, you have done by DIT, if you have done by DIF. So now complete both. The remaining one you have to complete. Okay, that is again a homework, and upload both the pics in the Google Classroom. So I will come to know what you are drawing exactly. And if you are having any doubt in this DFT, if you want to ask anything, DFT question generally asked by 4-point DFT or 2 to the power n, they can ask you. Any similar question can be asked. So that you have to do it mathematically, use calculators, and you should know how to use calculator, scientific calculator. That is allowed in the exam. एंड डीएफटी में कुछ डाउट हो तो बता दो. थियोरेटिकल में है तुम्हारा प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डीएफटी, यू हैव टू स्टडी. सी कन्वोल्यूशन, किसी स्टूडेंट का मैसेज आया था, मैम कन्वोल्यूशन न्यूमेरिकल समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. हैव यू स्टडीड कन्वोल्यूशन? Convolving two signals xn into h of n. The convolution can be performed in two ways. Mathematically, you can convolute the signals, or graphically. So in graphically, what you have to do, you have to follow the convolution steps. There are 4 steps of convolution. X of n will be given to you, h of n will be given to you, and you have to find y of n. First, transform n to k domain, then draw h of minus k, mirror image, then shifting, then scaling, then convolving, and last step is summation of all the values. That is to be done in convolution. See, convolution numerical can be asked in here also, or in your first unit also, because xn into h of n will give you y of n in time domain. So in time domain, we will convolve the signal, and in frequency domain, we will first transform the domain from time to frequency, and then we will directly multiply the signals. So that is the convolution in frequency domain. So from the books, you can start solving the numericals based on convolution. Kuch doubt ho to you can discuss it in the class. And I will give you assignment also very soon. And start writing your DSP lab file. It's very simple. Just you have to first write index, then experiment regarding MATLAB, little bit of MATLAB you have to write in that, and then experiment number 1. At least complete your file work. I have shared all the data in Google Classroom and we will parallelly start with the lab sessions. So no doubts, DAFT, FFT cleared. Chalo, okay. Thank you, students. Okay, beta.